In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit to Binance using fiat and cryptocurrency. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you have a seamless experience as you move your funds into the Binance platform. First, you need to open your Binance account. You can do this via the web or the Binance app, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your funds and viewing your financial activity on Binance. Next, locate and click on the Deposit option. This is where the magic begins. You'll have the choice between depositing fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Let's tackle depositing fiat first. On the deposit interface, you will want to click Deposit Fiat. A new window will appear, giving you various options to proceed. Here, you will need to select your preferred fiat currency. Binance supports multiple currencies, so pick the one that's relevant to your needs. After choosing your currency, the next step is to select a payment method. For instance, if you prefer using a credit card, select that option and press Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Follow the simple prompts to finalize the transaction. Once that's done, you're all set with your fiat deposit. Let's switch gears to cryptocurrency deposits. Head back to the deposit section and this time, opt for Deposit Crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit from the list provided. If you choose USDT, for example, click on USDT to proceed. You'll then need to select the network over which you want to make your transfer. Click on Select Network, and in this instance, let's choose BSC for Binance Smart Chain. Now, you'll see a deposit address displayed. Carefully copy this address, then go to the wallet or exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently held. Paste the copied address into the recipient field in your current wallet, enter the amount you'd like to transfer, and send it. A word of caution: always double-check that the address is correct to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place. Once the network confirms your transaction, the deposited cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your Binance wallet. Finally, if you ever need to return to these options to make additional deposits, simply revisit the deposit section of your Binance account. You can choose to deposit either fiat or crypto as needed. Remember, all transactions are traceable on the network, ensuring the secure movement of your funds. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide to depositing both fiat and cryptocurrency into Binance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these steps